This video is about scaling paper airplanes. For greater understanding and enjoyment of mathematics, the Maths Toys YouTube channel is brought to you by AimSec and the Aiming High website. In the description, you will find a link to our home learning guide for ages 4 to 18 and a teacher resource pack. Subscribe and ding the notification bell to make sure you don't miss our latest activities. You will need 5 sheets of scrap paper, A4 if possible, and a roll of sticky tape. If you want to make the really big one, you're going to need 64 additional sheets of A4 scrap paper and 5 small rolls of sticky tape. Take a sheet of A4 paper, fold it in half along the long edge. Then fold the 2 top corners down the centre. Fold it back in half with the folded edges on the outside. Then fold it down so you're halving the point, and then one more time, and that's the first wing. Turn it over and fold over the other half for both wings, and you have your finished airplane. Enjoy flying it.
3, 2, 1.
Way, well, they fly. All right, give yourself a big woohoo!
Take 2 pieces of A4 paper and stick them together. Remember, they must look the same, so we don't stick them together like this because the top is too long and the vertical is too short. We stick them together like this so they look the same, they're to scale. Once we have 2 stuck together, we're going to make it even bigger by joining 4. And then I made the same airplane. Can you imagine how big your airplane will be if you use 64 pieces of paper? Or as many as you like. Now see how it flies. Ready? Whee! Yes! Scale it up in all dimensions by doubling the thickness of the A2 model. Compared with the A4 model, the length will be doubled, the area multiplied by 4, and the volume multiplied by 8.
When you tape 2 pieces of A4 paper together, you make an A3 sheet. And then when you tape 2 of those together, you make an A2 sheet, and an A2 sheet is made of 4 sheets of A4. Every time it's 2 sheets going together, so you are doubling the area. Try measuring the lengths and see if you can work out what the scale factor for the lengths is, the edge lengths.
You could, if you like, do something later. You could halve the size of the paper that you started with, or halve it again, and even halve it again, so you're making a scaled down version of your airplane. Make different size airplanes, see how they compare, and see how they fly. Look at the engineering part. Which one flies best?
This time the areas are half, a quarter, an eighth, a 16th, and I want you to do some measuring and see if you can work out what's happening to the edge lengths. What is the linear scale factor?
So we got a massive piece of paper. We call it the A-2.
And we used How many sheets of A4?
We used 64.
Okay, you grab that.
Yep.
Three,
This is
three,
2,
two,
1.
one.
Follow the link in the description for more activities and more detailed videos on scaling paper airplanes. Subscribe, like and ding the notification bell to not miss any Mass Toys videos.